Hello guys, in this video I am going to introduce you to this tool called as DGM. This is not strictly an artificial intelligence tool, though they have as usual the word AI in their tagline as you can see on their website. But it is quite a handy tool if you are looking to draw professional diagrams online. When I'm creating videos, sometimes I need to create a quick dirty video without going into much detail, and I think that this DGM could be very handy because if you're using any other tool or even if you're trying to draw it somewhere in some sort of Visio, it takes long time, and it is, of course, there are licensing issues and stuff. But with DGM it is quite easy to draw the diagrams. Now where this AI part comes from, I have spent quite a lot of time on their website going through various things, and I think, as far as I think, the AI part comes that you draw some sort of diagram and then you generate code by using Vision AI. And by Vision AI, I think it means that you would have to use ChatGPT for Vision in order to generate the code from the diagrams which you will create on DGM. That is what I think. Anyway, so DGM, let me log in there too and I'll show you. Okay, so once you log in, you are presented with some sort of screen here where you can start drawing. You can also click on their dashboard and then you can play around with it. So I'm already logged in with my Google account, and let me just continue again. Okay, so I would have to refresh it. So there you go, I have refreshed it and you can see that it's quite easy to just pick up that diagrams from this bottom palette and then draw it. And then there is also this free tool which you can use to draw different things, like you can write here and then you can draw whatever you want. So, and you can even connect these things like this. So if you're looking to draw something freely and easily and quickly without going into much detail, you can do that. It's not that hi-fi tool at the moment. You can just draw a few of the diagrams, even get an image, connect them, and then off you go. So it is sort of a web application that simplifies the creation of various diagrams types, and you can not only use it in easy way, but also it is free forever for local use. But of course, if not, you're not using locally, you would have to pay them. You can also save lot on your cloud storage, and there are a lot of shapes you can draw with it. And if you go to their documentation, and I'll drop the link in video description, you can read more. You can publish it on the web too, and you can download it. As you can see on the top right, you can publish and you can download or export, in other words. Another cool thing which I saw on their website, there is also a scripting language. You can even script the objects. And by scripting, what I mean is that you can have something like this MAL language. Now, MAL is sort of a Lisp like language. I'm not sure if you have ever heard of Lisp. Lisp was once upon a time, around 30-40 years ago, even before that, Lisp was quite popular when it came to artificial intelligence. I remember that when I did a course in artificial intelligence during my uni days, we had to learn Lisp, and Lisp was just a really weird language. It was all about parentheses and using operators. So, for example, you would just do the addition of two numbers like 1 and 2 in parentheses by specifying the operator first. So this is what Lisp is. So this MAL is sort of an interpreter which you can use, and this is, I'm not going to go into more detail, but you can use this MAL sort of things to draw shapes in the scripts and that sort of stuff. So for example, just to give you an example, I'm not sure if I'm able to paste here. I am. So this is sort of things you can do here. I haven't defined the shape here, otherwise you would have to first define the shape and then you can render it by using these sort of here. So if you're looking to do this via scripting, you can do with this script which is in MAL, which is a Lisp like language. So that's it, guys. This was just a short introduction into this nifty tool, and you can see a few of the examples here where you can draw it. And then it's a good idea that once you draw it in this dirty fashion, instead of spending a lot more time, then you can simply feed it into your vision model. It could be ChatGPT or any similar one, and it will create a code for you. That's it. I hope you enjoyed it. If you know of any other similar tool, please share it in the comments. I'll be happy to review it and use it. And if you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. And if you're already subscribed, please share it among your network as it helps. Thanks for watching.